Hi, David here, and I just want to take you through the process of adding Facebook comments to your WordPress blog. So here I am on my blog, and I'll just show you what I mean. This is just a post I've done some curation on, and you'll notice at the bottom of the blog here I have got a comment section that will post comments not only on the blog here but also on Facebook page. So there's two ways you can add this. Originally when I added this there wasn't a plugin, so I had to do it manually, but there is actually a plugin that does this as well. So for thoroughness I'm going to show you both ways how to do it. So first way I'm going to take you through is how to do it the manual way. So first of all, basically what we do is, what I've done here, because I've already set it up on my blog, I set up an actual test sample blog on a subdomain or a subdirectory on my domain here for the purpose of this test. Okay, and I'm going to use just a standard default installation here of WordPress, and using the 2011 theme and using the sample page as an example. Okay, so before you can go ahead and add the Facebook comments into here, what we need to do is go over to Facebook, and we have to, if you haven't got a Facebook account, you're going to need to create one of those, but I'd like to assume that anyone listening to this or subscribing to this magazine would have a Facebook account. If not, you need to go and create one. And then what we need to do is need to go over to this particular URL, and I'll just take you over there now. You need to type in developers.facebook.com/apps, and what it'll do, it'll bring you to a page hit like this. Of course, I've already got certain apps set up here, and if this is the first time you've done it, you won't have any, but you'll still see the apps, which is just the base page with nothing there, and then you'll have this button here, so you need to go in and create your app. So simply to create your app, you click the button create new app. Pretty straightforward. And then this pop-up screen will appear, and you just have to type in your app name. Okay, so for the purpose of this exercise, I'll just type in something, test WP, test blog. Okay, so that's valid, and then you just simply click continue. You will get asked to put in a captcha, so you just have to go in and type that in. Occasionally when you're putting in a captcha, you may get asked to enter your telephone number or a credit card just to verify that you're a real person. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's just to stop spammers from rorting the system. Anyway, here we are. This is the app, and you'll see you got some little rollovers here. This is information about what each of these fields mean. In this situation, what we need to do is just get the domain name of the app. So what that means is simply the domain where your comments page, where your blog is residing, and you'll be entering the comments. Okay, so in that case I just put in the domain of my website, and that's pretty much it there. You don't need to do anything else. You can roll over these items and just check out what they mean. You can click on them and there will be a drop down that will give you some more information about what they are, but for this situation all we need to do is simply type in the domain name, and then here we just need to type in the site URL. So what that'll be is the URL going directly to where the blog is, which will have to include the WP test section as well. Okay, but all this other stuff underneath, don't need to do that. It's not applicable. That's it. So save the changes by clicking that, and we should be cool. Okay, so that's all saved, all done. So yeah, as it says there, it can take a few minutes for it to propagate on all the servers so that the app will be working correctly for you.